When it comes to animals, literally anything can happen. Scares, surprise attacks, bizarre reactions, even moments that defy explanation. Buckle up, because what follows is utterly unpredictable. A snake appears out of nowhere, scaring a woman so badly she jumps into her husband's arms. A horse handler in Popayan, Colombia gets kicked by a pony while just trying to help. An angry elephant charges in the middle of the night, smashing down walls and gates, and leaving a terrified homeowner and major damage. Not even a gate could stop a raging wild boar. A croc trainer with 8 years' experience gets bitten for the first time at Samut Prakarn Crocodile Farm and Zoo. Something slithers into a hole in a wall, and seconds later, a bear explodes out of it. What on earth did that guy say to scare it away?
Boy, B. Big bear. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, he's 5.
A dog tries to hog all the food, and the donkey has the perfect comeback. A black bear strolls into a liquor store, sending customers into a panic. A frog hurls itself at a guy trying to break into its house.
What? Slug?
No. Fucking frog. What?
A cyclist literally jumps over an alligator on a trail.
Oh shit!
It's mating season in Florida. Male alligators are roaring and brawling for dominance. What would you do if 2 pigs suddenly appeared at your workplace? That's exactly what happened in Moscow. A fireworks mishap in a garage erupts into chaos. Fireworks are beautiful, but seriously dangerous. Two leopards got into a heated fight this afternoon, taking things from tense to full-on brawl. An elephant chased a car for several meters until the driver finally escaped. A crocodile lurks underwater like a shadow, until it bursts out. Wild elephants are so unpredictable. A kayaker got a major scare when whales swarmed close.
No pasa nada, no pasa nada. Son 3. Mira ese. Wow. Wow. Vámonos.
A moose hides behind a tree before charging passing cars. A bird made a terrible mistake trying to attack ducklings.
Oh, there he goes. Oh, he just dove. Oh, oh my gosh. Hold on. Oh my gosh. He just killed it. That goose just killed the other bird.
A standoff between a leopard and a crocodile. A trail cam caught a sweet little encounter between a fox and a ferret. A fearless hippo stares down 2 giant crocodiles. A hungry bear breaks in, opens a door on its own, and chases chickens all over the yard, catching one in the end. How to stop a stampeding black rhino. An unexpected black bear pops up out of the woods while you're hiking, an experience you don't get every day.
Get back.
Dude,
Oh my god.
dude, I thought it was gonna attack me, eh?
When a smaller animal tries to show off in front of a much bigger one. A gorgeous bear family makes an appearance. This guy's either crazy brave, or that elephant's just a scaredy cat. Never try this at home, he's a pro. A rhino charges a car in Kruger National Park. Luckily, everyone walks away safe.
No. Easy. Easy.
A guy on a bike gets attacked by a crazy, but non-venomous, snake.
Nunca mais na minha vida eu boto os pés aqui. Eu posso botar os pés, agora na bicicleta não ando mais não.
Vem de moto na próxima vez.
A cat shows off expert patience and technique while fishing. A troublemaking dog picks a fight with sea lions. Some intense footage. A skunk, or weasel, or Jartatica, as it's called, launches a surprise attack. Adorable, but feisty. A guy finds his dinner in a peaceful little cove. No effort required. He snagged one of the largest sea fish ever on his kayak, a Goliath grouper weighing 250 kilograms.
Он ко мне нормально придет. Хорошо, хорошо.
Твою медь, блядь.
Sun bears from Southeast Asia, the world's smallest bears, climbing trees with thick, loose skin. Do you think her friends just forgot to warn her about the sharks? A girl slides off the side of a yacht into shark-infested water. A bull's mating ritual goes totally insane. It smashes the roof above its own head. Fortunately, it walks away unharmed. What would you do if this happened in your cruise cabin? On Carnival's Freedom Cruise to the Bahamas, a family wakes up to hundreds of birds in their cabin.
Hey, go close my door so they can fly in the hallway.
7376.
Go close the door.
A delivery guy decided to take a quick break to play with a dog. A guy throws money at a bull for fun and ends up flying through the air after a horn strike. He was hospitalized but later released. This young guy probably had no clue there was an 800-kilo beast waiting right behind that gate. A mole built its mound in the worst possible spot.
Molletje. Ik wil hem helpen. Nee. Oh, wacht, dan wil ik Kate hem hebben.
This cow got tired of life on the ground and wanted a better view, so she climbed up onto the roof.
Still fucking stupid!
The fuck is she going?
This woman was frantically dodging a confused squirrel that just wanted to say hi.
Da kommt das Eichhörnchen.
Something bizarre happened at the Alice Springs Reptile Center in Australia. A python shed its skin and somehow ended up wearing it again. A garden owner wasn't thrilled about a cat oxidizing on his lawn, so he let the dogs out to chase it off. Don't try this. Letting dogs chase cats can end badly. The bond between this grizzly and its handler is incredible. When trust beats fear, even a wild giant becomes a friend. A man spotted an agitated snake near a cage full of parrots, clearly looking for a feast. With no other choice, he grabbed the snake and tossed it off the property.
Over the fence. Oh, Jesus.
Ever seen a pelican pull faces? This one was warming up on the beach and scaring pedestrians with some seriously weird expressions. A man noticed a curious bear hanging around his excavator, started feeding it, and now the bear literally eats out of his hand.
Красавец, Саня, красавец.
Riding a horse isn't always easy, especially when it's unsaddled and you have nothing to hold on to. A young guy in Norway survived a moose attack thanks to a taunt shout he learned from World of Warcraft. He saved his life and his sister's. A raging bull defending its territory winds up charging a guy, who only manages to escape by climbing onto an SUV. A giant fish charmer in action.
Falou, Valdinho, peguei peixe na represa lá. Na outra represa. Na represa do vizinho. Que deu pra pescar. Você quer pra você mansar? Ele no tanque. Ele aqui, ó. Aí ele ficou desconfiadinho, tá vendo?
A fishing crew isn't exactly thrilled when their haul attracts a horde of sea lions. Whale watchers off Briar Island, Canada, sailed in search of a rare creature, and the creature found them, greeting them with a gentle wave.